Welcome to gkfrog, Indian Politics. There are 25 questions in this video. The answer will be displayed 10 seconds after each question. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. In the Union government, under whose charge is the Cabinet Secretariat? A. The Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. B. The President of India. C. The Prime Minister of India. D. The Union Home Minister. Correct answer is the Prime Minister of India. Which of the following articles deals with the amendment to our Constitution? A. 368. B. 372. C. 356. D. 370. Correct answer is 368. The Consultative Committee of Members of Parliament for Railway Zones is constituted by the A. President of India. B. Ministry of Railways. C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. D. Ministry of Transport Affairs. Correct answer is Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. The minimum age of the voter in India is A. 15 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. D. 25 years. Correct answer is B. 18 years. The members of the State Legislative Assemblies are elected for a period of A. 2 years. B. 6 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. Correct answer is D. 5 years. The name of the union given in the Constitution is A. Hindustan or Bharatavarsha. B. India or Hindustan. C. India or Bharat. D. Bhartadesh or India. Correct answer is C. India or Bharat. Which of the following two words were added in chronological order to the Preamble through 42nd Amendment? A. Secular and Socialist. B. Socialist and Secular. C. Socialist and Sovereign. D. None of these. Correct answer is Socialist and Secular. Which one of the following does not take part in the elections of the President? A. Elected members of the Lok Sabha. B. Elected members of the Rajya Sabha. C. Members of the Legislative Councils. D. None of the above. Correct answer is members of the Legislative Councils. The state which has the largest number of seats reserved for the scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha is A. Bihar. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister of the estate is responsible to A. Governor. B. Legislative Assembly. C. Prime Minister. D. Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is B. Legislative Assembly. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is A. 25 years, B. 21 years, C. 18 years, D. 36 years. Correct answer is 25 years. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and the states falls under its A. Advisory jurisdiction, B. Appellate jurisdiction, C. Original jurisdiction, D. Constitutional jurisdiction. Correct answer is original jurisdiction. To whom does a judge of the Supreme Court address his resignation if he wants to leave office before his term is complete? A. Chief Justice of India, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Union Law Minister. Correct answer is C. President. In the Indian Constitution, the right to equality is granted by 5 articles. They are A. Article 16 to 20, B. Article 15 to 19, C. Article 14 to 18, D. Article 13 to 17. Correct answer is Article 14 to 18. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is A. 250, B. 260, C. 275, D. 300. Correct answer is 250. Which of the following words does not appear in the preamble of the Constitution? A. Sovereign, B. Socialist, C. Democratic, D. Patriotic. Correct answer is D. Patriotic. The Attorney General holds office during the pleasure of the A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Parliament, D. Chief Justice. Correct answer is B. President. Till which year the strength of the State Legislative Assemblies has been fixed? A. 2015, B. 2017, C. 2023, D. 2026. Correct answer is 2026. The members of the State Public Service Commission are appointed by A. Chief Minister, B. Chief Justice, C. Governor, D. Vice President. Correct answer is C. Governor. Who conducts oath of office to the President of India? A. The Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. The Chief Justice of India, C. The Vice President of India, D. The Prime Minister. Correct answer is B. The Chief Justice of India. The idea of incorporation of the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of A. Australia, B. United Kingdom, C. Canada, D. Germany. Correct answer is A. Australia. Which one of the following is a human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India? A. Right to information, B. Right to education, C. Right to work, D. Right to housing. Correct answer is B. Right to education. The governor is appointed by A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Chief Minister, D. Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is B. President. Who was the President of India at the time of proclamation of emergency in the year 1976? A. V. Giri, B. Gyani Zail Singh, C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, D. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Correct answer is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. The Constitution of India declares India as A. Federation, B. Unitary government, C. Union of states, D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Union of states. Please subscribe
Indian
for
Politics
gkfrog for more general knowledge videos.